I got up early this morning and come out here to see if I can find some Cecina. Anyway, the place I found is on 52nd Avenue and Cali 45. It's right on the corner. And I don't know what the hours are, but yesterday when I came, it was closed. So I don't know if it's because of the rain or whether they just like morning and afternoon type deal. So anyway, I'm gonna go in here and check it out and see what we can find. Two special Cecina?
Yes.
See? Maybe, let's see, Cecilio di Cecina?
Taco.
Taco?
Sí.
Oh,
O kilo.
no kilo. No, taco.
Yes.
So, Cecilio di Cecilia, uno. And how about El Aparo di Cecina?
¿Verdad?
El Aparo di Cecina?
El aporreado, yes.
Sí.
Water, soda.
I'll go, yeah, water. Any recommendation?
Chilaquiles.
Okay.
Yes.
Uno. Let me sit this down. I'll put you on
With
YouTube.
guacamole.
See?
Yes.
You see?
$92.
92 pesos. Okay, gracias. ¿Es Cecina de aquí?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, thank you.
Ahorita se lo llevamos.
Sí.
¿Para llevar?
Amiga, is llamo is skin, pig skin? Aquí.
Chicharrón.
Chicharrón?
Yes.
Can I try?
Yes.
Like, see.
Yes.
No mucho, maybe like this.
Yes. 20 pesos, por favor.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, guys. Looks like you put cactus and the onion, and I see an egg on there. Looks delicious. And what I just ordered, I think she said chicharron, is a pig skin. He's actually frying it now. Looks awesome. That looks incredible. Hopefully you can see it. Wow. So anyway, I think I found a great place here. So anyway, here's the name of it. Cecina de Yapacan. I know I'll butcher that, so I'm not even gonna say it. And there's the phone number. So if you're in Playa del Carmen, check it out. I am going to, I'll let you know when the food comes back out. I got it out, and when you get it, they give it to you, and I'm sure this place is absolutely packed at lunchtime. Just seeing the size of the place and how many people's working here. Over here on this side, there's a lady here, and it's full of all your salsa, pico de gallo, any salsa. I mean, gosh, it must be like 10 different types of salsa. So anyway, looks awesome. I can't wait to try it. I got pork skin, fried pork skin, which he was frying. That looked amazing. And then we got, this is a cecina with, I think it's just cecina with egg. And then they put some cactus on this one. This one has cactus and with guacamole. And you see this one's not chopped. It's like a whole piece. And then this one here is cecina with egg. So anyway, let's try it out and see how it is. All right, we're gonna try the one with egg first. And the great thing is, they don't have the music blasting. Amazing. First place I've been to. Oh my God, muy rico. I'm gonna tell you what. So far, let me cut that out. So far, that first one, that first bite I had with egg, that's the best thing I had so far since I've been in Mexico. I liked Market 23, and I love that sandwich, but this beats it. That is absolutely delicious. Where I come from, we call it country ham, and this is like country beef. So it's beef done the same way, sliced thin and fried. Let's try the real thick, the real thin one that's not chopped up with the cactus. Oh my God. That one mixed with that guacamole, absolutely delicious. Okay, muchas gracias.
Sí, aprovecho.
All right, that one is delicious. Let's try it with the pork skin. I thought she was going to give me a bottle of water. I don't want to be rude, but I'm scared to drink it. Not that the water's bad, but you know, gringo's stomach is not used to foreign water. So anyway, all right, we tried that one. Let's try the other one. I'm not sure what the difference. It actually has egg on it too, but the egg actually is cooked a little different way. Maybe one's cooked more than the other. Let's try it. Oh my God. I know what that is. That's that chicharrón, Mexican sausage. So that's cecina with Mexican sausage and egg. That definitely is good. Which one my favorite is? I'm gonna say the one with guacamole. Absolutely delicious. So if you come to Playa del Carmen, you got to come here. It's the best place I've been in Mexico so far. Wow. All right, we're gonna leave here, and I'm gonna be checking out Playa del Carmen, going to Playa Car in a little bit. Stay tuned, like my videos, and subscribe, and I'll show you around that resort I'm gonna stay at in Playa Car. It's not very far from Playa Carmen, only about a mile, but it's not real busy area. It's more of a there's some really nice houses in there and a lot of nice resorts. So it's a little bit more quiet, but you don't have to leave the resort if you don't want to go in there. And the cost of the place was really inexpensive. So I don't know if it was just because low tourism or whether it's a affordable place. We'll find out. You tell me what you like. Leave me a comment if you've been here and tell me how bad I butcher my Spanish. I want to know that. I know it's terrible. All right, see you guys later. Absolutely delicious. You got to come here. If you come to Playa del Carmen, you got to come here. Okay, hasta luego. ¿Cómo es tu llamo?
Mariana.
Mariana.
Yes.
Adios,
Thank
Mariana.
you.
All right,
Bye.
see you later. Everybody in there was just so nice. There it is. See if I can get that closer for you. Absolutely amazing. Let's see if the dog's is friendly. Hey, Pedro. Hey, boys. Y'all don't care nothing about the gringo. I got you. All right. Well, let me get back before it comes down raining, and stay tuned. We'll see.